Hey everyone, in this short tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to log out from all devices on your Discord account. As well, in this video I'm gonna use my iPhone mobile version of Discord. So let me find Discord on my phone and tap on that, and after that, once you in the messages section, you can tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and now I'm gonna tap on settings gear at the top right corner, and once you're here you can see account settings, and you can tap on devices sections right here, and right here you can see all devices. If I scroll down, I can see Windows Discord client and Mac OS X Discord client. I'm gonna close Mac OS X Discord client because I don't wanna use it. Tap on that, and after that you should type in your password of your account. So let me doing that, and again so as you can see, one device is successfully deleted from this list, and also you can tap on button like logout all known devices. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Discord application. So see you next time.